Damn, your baby dad better change his game because you forgot that you my babe. I don't really know. Smack him in the face, grab a couple hoes. It's funny how all these bitches grab me when I find my shorty and she be finding out. I'm like, yo, she catch me lying out. I ain't trying to hit me with the frying cow. Nah, and then I got put up with an ass, and I'm like, what the fuck? Got Nikes on my feet, you can't catch me. Nah, you can't pass me. If I throw the touchdown, boy, you better catch it, G. Yeah, I say you catch me in the end zone, 6 or 7, yeah, pick up your phone. Matter of fact, while I'm getting that dome, your best friend's hitting my phone. Yeah, I say we about to get high, chill up on the clouds, yeah, you know we stay fly. Me and B up on that, yeah, we stay fly. Catch us on the block, yeah, you know we always going high. Our stacks getting taller, your stacks getting smaller. And what the fuck's going on? I say I keep getting calls in. I'm blocked, I'm gonna smack you. I told y'all niggas I'ma come through and I'ma trash you. Just stop talking shit, dog, and bust your lips. And pull out banana clips and throw it down when you be dips. And I don't care, yeah, you know you love when I